Good morning, all. Welcome to Anand Rathi Morning Commodity and Currency Podcast. Let's begin with precious metal update. Traders will look to US data releases later this week, including employment figures, which may influence the Fed's monetary policy stance. Overall, with spot gold trading steady in the early trade, MCX gold may open slightly higher, with dip buying still favorable for the day. Technically, gold pivot is around 63,293. If gold surpasses 63,429, it has potential to reach to the levels of 63,518. Conversely, if it falls below 63,211, we might see downside to the levels of 63,122. Let's go ahead with base metal update. With China PMI number showing disparities, broadly recovery in factory activities remain uncertain as China grapples with slowdown in economy, which also raises expectation of a rate cut as early as this month. Meanwhile, as China top smelter cut copper guidance for copper concentrate processing treatment and refining charges, which tighten the supply outlook for 2024. Copper prices could find support at lower levels in day trade today. Copper pivot is around 731. If copper breaks above 732, it has potential to reach to the levels of 734. And if it drops below 730, we might see downside to the levels of 728. Continuing with energy update, crude oil may remain firm today due to the escalations of the situations in the Red Sea over the weekend and the peak demand season during China's Spring Festival. However, market will remain cautious ahead of the key inventory data along with the jobs data due later in the week that could pave way for the Fed's interest rate cut decisions. Technically, crude oil pivot is around 6010. If crude oil rises above 6065, we might see upside to the levels of 6097. And if it drops below 5989, we may see downside to the levels of 5957. On currency front, as for the rupee, nothing much is expected in the next few days as the RBI seems intent on holding the rupee down to a range. Friday's US NFP will be the first significant data point of the markets. No major event scheduled today. That's all for today's podcast. Have a successful trading day. Thank you.